Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my viewers from wherever you are. Once again, let me say thank you for always for your support. Thank you for having time and taking time to watch on my video and my YouTube channel. That is Jacom 254. This morning, I take this opportunity again to welcome you back to our site as we are doing production. And today, the best part of it, here we have the charcoal dust. We have the charcoal dust that we've churika chakema nasami kama onde hicho rima chini koko bima koma magine. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my viewers from wherever you are. It is again Jacom 254. Today, this morning, here we are offloading the charcoal dust that is collected, and here is the dust. You see, Sammy is offloading it. Sammy is offloading the charcoal dust, and here it is. Oh, it is dusty. Sorry for that. So this one we've collected from our charcoal vendors, from our markets that we have around. And here right now, what we are doing, we want to sort if any case there are impurities or stones or metals that are here. It is what we want to do. After that, we are going to take the charcoal binder and we mix it with the water. Here we have the water. You can have a look. You can have a look. This is water. So this one is what we are going to mix with the binder, and so that we can mix. And for now, we just want to sort if there are impurities. Like here we have some polythene bags. It is the one that we are getting out. Once we've taken it out, we bring the binder and we mix it here. So this is the charcoal that here today we've collected. These are 15 bags, and this is what we want now to make and now place into our extruder machine so that we can make the charcoal briquette. Thank you always for supporting him. So this is one of the charcoal. This is the dust that we are removing. Let me help you. So here is the dust that is collected. You can have a look. You see. So here it is. See. Yes, this is the dust. Thank you. The charcoal dust that we've collected. So here we just want to spread it out. Then we sort if there are some impurities so that we can get it. We can get them out. Thank you again. Once again, it is Jacom 254. Kindly subscribe, kindly share, give us a comment, and you can as well like. So thank you again, once again, for taking your time, for having your time and watching on our video. So here is the dust. I think I've shown you this is the dust, and here is where we are producing our charcoal. This one is one of the equipments we are using. This is a wheelbarrow. So here, if any case we are transporting charcoal, if any case we are transporting the dust, this is what we use. Or even water when you're carrying, we don't have water around, we are sourcing it from some river down here, and that's once we brought the water, so is what we are going to use. We use the wheelbarrow to transport that. Thank you again for taking your time and watching. So here we have the extruder machine. We have the extruder machine. Have a look at it. Right now it is not in operation, and this is our bucket. So here is what it is, the charcoal dust that we mix with the binder. So we'll be feeding it here into the extruder machine so that it can be compressed and it come out as a compressed briquette. Even though as it will come, it is not all that tough, it is not all that hard, but it takes some time for it to be hard. It is being compressed, then it gets out through this days. So there is one person who will be operating the machine, and there is also another person who will be getting the charcoal. The briquette, once that be compressed, is one will be getting it out, and we will be placing it on this board. So thank you again for always supporting me and always having time to watch at our videos. So this is our store. This is how scant it is. You know, charcoal dust the way it is. This is our store. You can have a look. This is our store. So once we've sorted the charcoal dust, come. Once we've sorted the charcoal dust, so we bring it here. We bring it here in this milling machine. So here is where we crush it so that it can become dust. We crush it here. We can crush it here if we want it to be more fine, or we can as well crush it at this place. You see, we can as well crush it at this place so that it can be dusty, because there are some huge particles that cannot be compressed. So we first crush them, and after crushing, we place it into the, this is when we mix it the binder and place it into the extruder machine. So thank you, my people, for always taking time to visit our site and taking the time to watch. So for now, we just want to do what? To get out the impurities. Move close. Yes, so here we are checking if there is any impurity that we want to get out. We get the impurities out, like this one. We just have to get them out. If there is any stone, we look carefully. If there is any stone or any metal that has been picked, and we can as well get it, because you cannot be 100% sure that the dust is all that clean. There are some metals, there are even some nails that are sometimes find themselves into this dust. So once we've done that, we just move it carefully, and we'll be looking at, if any case there is any impurity, we will be removing. If there's any stone, like here I've got a stone, yeah, so we get it out, just like that. So after that, we'll be taking the water and mix it with the binder. Today we are going to use the molasses as a binder. That is what we are going to mix, and we place it here, we mix. So it is Jacom 254. Currently we are at Migori, Rongo sub-county, that is Rongo municipality. That is where we are doing our production. So my people, I ask you to subscribe, kindly share, kindly give us a comment, and I always appreciate you for supporting Jacom 254. Hello my viewers. So here are the racks. Here are the racks where we are drying the charcoal. The other one that was here, we had harvested. Look at it, it is beautiful. This one we processed it yesterday, and is it yesterday or today?
Yesterday.
Yesterday, yes. And this one we just done it today. This one we just done today, but all of this rack we did it yesterday. So we are very, very grateful because today it is not all that, it is not raining, it is sunny, and we hope it is going to dry very, very, very fast. So today it is a Tuesday, and I thank you, my people, for always supporting me, for always taking your time to have a look at the kind of work we are doing in issues or matters of environmental conservation, on matters of charcoal briquette production. So this one is drying up, so this one is drying up, and also this one is doing the same. Even though but this space you are seeing this space, there were some that were dry, and it has we've taken it to the market. We've taken them to the market, and yeah, you can see now it is dry. Just have a look. You see it is dry now. It cannot crack. You see now this one is dry. Or let me take this one. Yes, this one like this, it is dry. You see this one, it is dry. You see the salt is removing, it is dry, it cannot break. Or even this one, if you compare that one and this one, you see this one is not dry, but it has started to be dry because it was produced yesterday. But if you check the one that has been produced today, I told you earlier on that we are mixing this char dust, and now that has been done, we are now placing it to the extruder machine, and that is where now it is being compressed. You can see how it's being compressed. It is being placed inside there. Once it has been placed, then the machine compresses it. I told you here we are using power. Sometimes if any case there are some hard stuff that are inside the dust, it stops. Like right now you see it has stopped, so we have to pull it back again. It is somehow tedious in one way or the other. It has to be pulled back. You see now Dotto is doing it, is pulling it back so that we can remove anything foreign that had gotten inside it. So yes, so this machine has been locally fabricated, so he has turned it on again, and that is why you can see sometimes it brings such a challenge. So you see right now, yeah, So Samuel, or the other one on the other side, is picking what has been compressed, and Dotto here is feeding the machine with the dust. So thank you for taking your time and having taken your time to watch what is happening. So this is how we do it. Yes, those are the ones that have been stacked in a stack. They have been compressed. They have been compressed. You see how it is coming out? Yes, good, beautiful. So you can see he's feeding it. I think we are very, very keen seeing what is happening on the other end. So thank you, my viewers, for tuning in, for taking time to watch what is happening. So that is what is happening. Let me take you to the other side so that you can see how we are covering. You see, this one is one of the racks, and it has 2-story. We have one at the top. We are covering it like this to avoid so that it cannot be rained on, to avoid being rained on whenever it is raining. So that is why we are covering it. So here I just want to take you through this rake. Right now we are covering because you can see the sky. It is not all that conducive, because from anytime from now the rains can start raining. That is why we've covered it. So this is one of the racks. This one is not in use. It has some problem. So this one here, but this one that you see we are covering with a paper bag or a paper bag, it is good in use. So you can see inside there we have the charcoal dust. Not the charcoal dust, but the briquettes that have been placed inside there. I think you can see them. Hello, you can see how it is. Yes, that is it. So my viewers, let me take you also to the other side where we have dried them. So here, this is how we are covering. Earlier on you saw we had the briquettes inside, so we covered them here using this polythene paper. So those ones also we are going to cover. If the skies are not going to be promising, we are going to cover those one also. So you can see, you saw the other time this space was somehow bigger, but you see now it has been covered. You see how they have placed this one has been placed here, plus the other one on the other end. So these are drying, and these ones have been covered. These ones have been covered because of the rains. We don't want them to be rain. That is why we are covering it. You see, it has been covered, and ensure this place, it is somehow slopey. So whenever the rain rains, it splashes over so that it cannot flood on top of the rake. So that's how we do produce the charcoal briquettes, and that is one of the processes that is very, very keen. So have a look on how production is. You see how they are being produced. The gentleman this side here, how he's picking the sausage shape. You see it is coming, it is in a sausage shape. Just look how it is coming out. It has been crushed and now it is coming out soft. You see how it is coming out. Just have a look. So the other side, they are feeding the dust and it is being taken out. Yes. So how it's going to come out. So thank you for taking your time at least to watch at our video, to watch on how we are doing things here. Yes, so it is Jacom 254. Subscribe to Jacom 254. Subscribe to Jacom 254. Follow, like and share the video, as I'll be taking you through the process on how charcoal briquettes are being done. So for more information, I have my WhatsApp number there. Yes, you can maybe have some time and look at it so that maybe you can DM me so that I can tell you more about charcoal briquette production. So this is how it is being done. You see how they are feeding it and they are all coming out. Beautiful. You see how this rake has been beautifully arranged from down to the top. Yes, it is around 3.5 feet tall. This other one, the other one can be too. You see how it is. So thank you, my viewers, for always taking your time at least to watch at my videos and learning more about charcoal briquettes production. So I am based in Migori County, that is Rongo municipality. So the dust, I just told you very well that this dust we collect it from those who are vending charcoal, and sometimes whenever we can't find the dust, we always do carbonization, but we always do it far away from this place, and that's where we do. I'll be also taking you through on places where we do carbonization, how we do it. So thank you, my viewers, for always supporting me. Thank you for having your time. And as you are watching me from wherever you are, from Kenya, from parts of Africa, US, UK, China, wherever you are, if any case you have any queries or if any case for support, I have my number there. You can reach out to me so that I can be telling you more about charcoal briquettes production. So we are done now with the production. What's next is we want to carry them and we go dry them in the racks. So you can see now they all want to carry it to the racks. The Samuel is carrying it. You see, we are now taking it to the racks. We are now taking it to the racks. So here as the racks, you see how he's doing it gently, just like that. Strike a gunia hapo isianguke ama just find some sack or use this one before we reach there. You can place this one there. So I told you here before he places the, let me show you. I told you this one is a chain link. You can see it's a chain link and the spaces are very, very big. So if any case any pressure can be exerted here, the charcoal, the briquettes can go down. But since now we've devised this method where we are placing the used Goodyear bags that also been collected. These are wastes we've collected, so we are placing it there to help us in controlling so that it cannot go down. So you see how it's placing it. Just show them slowly how it is being done. Oh, Dotto is also coming here. Thing is very, very heavy. So my viewers, thank you for always taking your time to watch at our video. So it's going back to get some. You see how, yes, Sasa, you can now place it. You see now Sam is the one now in charge. Yeah, you see how he's dropping them. They have this one, this process has to be done gently, because if you're not keen enough, the event man is carrying them. You see it's coming. You have to place it gently, because if any case you place it with pressure, it means now you've done a donkey's work where you've used a lot of energy, but what you'll be getting will be minimal. So we have to be keen at this process once they have been removed, and that is why we are even covering it, because if they had been rained, it will again be turned to dust. So this is what we are doing. So Jacom 254, kindly subscribe, watch, share, and also if any case you have any addition or anything, any advice on how you can help us improve on our production, we welcome it, my people. And that is why I'm very, very, very down to earth for you to help me or to support me by subscribing, by commenting, by sharing to any other person wherever you are around the globe. I'll be very, very happy. So Doto is also doing the same. You see how he's placing them? Yes, yeah, that is how it is being done. So we are doing it. I told you we are based in Kenya, Nyanza region, Migori County, Rongo municipality. So this is how we are doing it. So thank you, my viewers, for always supporting me. There is my number. If you check on my description, you'll find there my number, my contacts, and you'll find that is where you can reach out to me, and maybe we talk much. So this is how they are doing it. You see? Hello? So we are placing them gently so that they don't break. You know, this one right now, it is very, very soft. It is soft, so we are placing it gently so that it cannot break. Because if we cannot be cautious by now, it means whatever we done, we'll have not done a good thing, because they'll all break. Yes. See now? So they are carrying the other one from the other end. So these are the boards where we are placing them. Just have a look at them. You see how they have been beautifully arranged. So after 2 days or after 3 days, we'll be turning the other side so that it can dry. You see this one I saw you at first. You see right now we've turned the other side. So they have brought them. It is me, Jacom 254. So see how he's placing them softly. Yes. And all is just going on well. Just have a look how it is. They are arranging them in pattern. See how? Just like that. And some on the other end is coming with some. Once we have harvested them from the extruder machine, they are very, very heavy. You know, we've used water, which we may have mixed with the binder, so it is very, very heavy when you are carrying it. But if it gets dry, it will not. If you compare the weight, it will not be as heavy as it was earlier. So that's why we are saying we use a lot of energy while carrying. So it is me, Jacom 254. Thank you for always taking your time, sparing sometimes to watch us. I'm very, very happy. It is me, Jacom 254. Are you seeing? 4. So kindly subscribe, share, invite more friends so that I take you through lessons on how we are producing or making the charcoal briquettes. Bye for now.